In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect the Salesforce Authenticator app. First, download the Salesforce Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play. Next, log into your Salesforce account on your computer. In the home page, go to the top right and click on Settings, just below your profile name. Then under My Personal Information, click Advanced User Details or Personal Information. After that, scroll down until you find Salesforce Authenticator. Click Connect right next to it. Then a small window will pop up asking you to verify your identity. They ask you to enter a verification code sent to your email. Go to your inbox and type the code they sent you under the verification code. Then click on Verify. Now they'll ask you to connect to Salesforce Authenticator app. So go ahead and open the app you downloaded. Then copy the two-word phrase from the Authenticator app and paste it. Then click Connect. Once the app connects, approve the test login request to finish setup. Your Salesforce Authenticator app is now connected and ready to use. And that's it. That's how you connect the Salesforce Authenticator app. Thanks for watching.